In this tutorial, we're going to download the administrative map of Nigeria from the World Bank data catalog. The first step, of course, is that you log onto the internet, and then the second step would be to copy this web page, this web address, copy it, and then, of course, go to your internet browser, paste it into the search window, or rather into the web address space paste. Either you press on this one that appears or just press enter on your keyboard to load the World Bank data catalog website. Now, there's a problem with this particular step because if you go about it this way, there is a possibility that at the time that you might be working on this particular tutorial or trying to download the administrative map, maybe the World Bank has updated its web page, so it might not work. So there's still a fail safe which I provided here if you see step 3. Alternatively, especially if this does not work. This does not work due to updates. Search for Nigeria administrative boundaries World Bank data catalog. Let's go through that step. Now let's copy this, or you can still type it in, or but for me to make it faster, copy, go back to the internet. Now you can see that this page is loaded. Now let's see whether I will still get this page through this other step, this other process. When you get here, you can type into the search window or just paste in what you have, press enter again. Once you press enter on the keyboard, now it provided a lot of options. But if you check, the first one has an outline that is very much in line with what you search for. Nigeria-administrative boundaries-World Bank data catalog. There are still other possibilities that you can see down here, but this is the first one, and it was one that matches the most. Click on it. It loads again, and you'll find out that it still gives you the exact same web page. So whichever step you choose to go through, then you still arrive at the same results, from which you now move to the next stage, which is about downloading the shapefile that you need for your cartographic operations. Now it's the same page. Now, when you get this page, if you scroll down, you'll see that this is the map of Africa, and then Nigeria is highlighted in blue here. Now, you're not interested in this per se for now, you're interested in downloading the shapefile which you use in your GIS. If you come here, scroll down, you might read all of this, but for now, we won't go through all of that. You see local government areas LGA boundaries, but it's JSON, JSON. This is not the format that you want to download. This is state boundaries in different formats. So ignore those two. When you come down here, you see the zip files. If you download these zip files, you will see the shape files within the zip file. So these are the two that you're interested in. If you want to download just the state boundaries without local governments, so you get a map of Nigeria with the state boundaries, you download this. If you want a map of Nigeria with the local government areas boundaries, including the state boundaries, you download this. So since we want more details, and of course you'll be working in different areas of Nigeria, we will focus on this particular one, which is basically the map with the local government areas. So click on this link. You might choose to click on this downward pointing arrow. Either way, this link still does the same thing. So you can click on this or click on this, but whatever you click will still give you the download. So let's click on the download button. You can see the download is beginning, downloading resource, as you can see here. and now waiting for the download to commence. Depending on how good the internet access is, you might get a faster download process or a slower one, but it seems like this is taking longer than I expected. Okay, now the download is in, and this document here is what you're looking for. Now you finally downloaded your shape file, at least zip in a zip file. You open. Maybe I'll right click and select show in folder. This is the map here. This is the map here in this zip file. Now copy this. You can cut or copy, but let's just say copy. It's in a download, and you go to the folder where you want to save your map product. So this folder you'll be working from. So in this case, I would put it here. Open this folder. I'll paste it in the study guide. Open the study guide, and then of course maybe create a new folder. New folder. I want to name it map production. Now open this folder. You can double click on it to open, or you right click and click open. Then paste that the zip file that you copied, which is this, is already here now. Now you need to unzip this to be able to use it. You can easily double click and open and then copy this folder and paste it where you want to paste it, but ideally you might just right click on this and select extract all. Extract all. Click. You get this. You might decide to change where you want the file to be extracted to, but of course it's in the folder where you want it to be, so no need to change that. Click extract. And then suddenly you have this one, but close this window is not relevant because you already have it here. So you now have the zip file, which is this, and then the new folder which contains the map products. So double click on this to open. You see another folder. Double click on it, or still right click and select open, but like I just said, I double clicked and then I see several files within this folder. We have several files within this folder. Now these files are the map files. All of these files are essential when it comes to working with vector data in GIS. But when you want to open this map in a GIS, what you use to open it is this one, the one that ends with .shp. That's a shape file. That SHP stands for shape file. So this one is the one that you select to open it in a GIS. So I think I will stop here for now, and then subsequently we'll now talk about how to open this document in QGIS. Thank you.